Search for how to buy shares of Wave Life Sciences Ltd. Wave Life Sciences is a clinical stage biotech company developing genetic and RNA therapies, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker WVE. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and this walkthrough uses eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading a government ID, and you must add funds before placing a trade. On the platform, use the search bar and type the ticker WVE to find the listing. Select the Wave Life Sciences Ltd result to make sure you have located the correct stock. On the stock page, check the summary of the company and its clinical focus, and review the price chart for context. Confirm the name and the WVE ticker to ensure this is the correct asset. To place an order, click Invest or Trade. Choose the amount you want to allocate. Then review the order details and confirm the instruction. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade can complete. After execution, your WVE position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description. And remember, this video is educational rather than investment advice.